Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of YouTube SEO and its critical role in monetizing your channel effectively in 2025. First up, we have TubeBuddy, a comprehensive tool designed to help you optimize your YouTube channel with features like keyword research and tag suggestions. Next is Morningfame. This tool focuses on detailed analytics and personalized progress tracking to improve your video performance. Now, let's explore the key differences between TubeBuddy and Morningfame, particularly focusing on user experience. When it comes to SEO tools, TubeBuddy offers comprehensive functionalities, while Morningfame shines with detailed keyword insights. Both platforms provide valuable content suggestions and performance tracking, but they each have unique strengths to consider. Here's what users are saying about TubeBuddy and Morningfame through their testimonials and case studies. So how do you choose the right tool? It depends on your specific YouTube goals and the type of channel you run. In conclusion, both TubeBuddy and Morningfame offer distinct advantages for YouTube SEO, making them valuable for making money in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on YouTube monetization and SEO tips to thrive in 2025.